Hello everybody, I'm back, and yes, Liz has done it again. You hear me, Liz? This time it's the blooming lamp. No, I'm not the only one that looked at this and went, really? Okay, now I gotta try that. I am up to my head in DIYs that I have to get out for fall, Halloween, Christmas. I keep watching Liz and I keep finding new things that I have to do. I'm teasing with you, honey, I love it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lamp that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I've had this now for a couple years. And I put it into a container that it held a plant that I got when my daughter passed away. And I've kept all the containers, and if you followed me, you've noticed that I do things with those containers. So, and this fit perfect. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna add some picks. Well, actually, this is a bush. And this has pomegranates and apples, but it is autumn, as you can see, the leaves over here, okay? And I just folded this part up, and I'm just gonna maneuver this around to kind of go around this lamp. And then I'm gonna add some other leaves and pumpkins into this for fall. I'm telling you, that girl, she has some really good ideas. And I love, watching all of my YouTube creator friends, sisters I like to call them, because they have such good ideas, So now I'm going to add some white pumpkins to the mix. And I'm not putting any styrofoam whatsoever, because after fall, I won't do anything for Christmas with this, because I'm going to have a Christmas tree where this will be going. But for other holidays and for my regular use, I'm not sure what bush I'll get to put in here. I think I'm going to put this pumpkin, I'm going to kind of nestle that up a little bit in between here. But I like these apples. I think they're pretty. Then I have these two picks that I've had for a long, long time. I think I'll add this one pick because I like the color. And I just pick these up randomly, every once in a while, so I have quite a few now. This one was orange and I just painted it. So I'm going to put this one in here. I want these different heights. You know me and my height. It's all about the height with me. Okay, so this will be over on that side. Well, I can put it this way too, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to call that done, and I'm going to put it where it's going to go, and I'll be back in a minute. Yes, my chickens are out, and they'll stay out until Christmas time. But really what I wanted to show you is where I put my blooming lamp that was inspired by Liz from Traditions by the Season. Thanks again, Liz, another winner. So what I did here, and this is where it'll be, I just put in a couple more picks with that apple pick, and that apple pick is so cute. It had pomegranates, berries, autumn leaves, pine cones, and then I just added some more leaves and a couple more fall picks with white pumpkins. And I do like the way it looks with this farmhouse inspired lamp from Hobby Lobby. So yes, I will be doing this for other occasions. And I don't know, I mean, what's fun about it is you can change it, you know, for anything. I mean, you can put any kind of colors to it, or if it's for a holiday, just add holiday picks. Very, very excited about this. I thought it was very, very pretty. So until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.